The best way to represent a group of data with a single value is by finding the central tendency of the data set. Depending on the characteristics of the data, the central tendency can be found by calculating the mean, median, or mode of the given data. Through this animation, we will look at the three measures of central tendency, namely mean, median, and mode for ungrouped data. Let us start with finding the average or mean height of 17 air hostesses. For ungrouped data, finding the mean is exactly the same as finding the average of a given set of numbers. Hence, from here on, we will refer to the average as mean. The mean height could be found out by adding up all the heights and then dividing the sum by the total number of air hostesses. Mathematically, mean is denoted as x bar and is equal to the sum of all observations divided by the total number of observations. For a large data set, we write the formula for calculating mean as the summation of xi, as I varies from 1 to n, divided by n, where n is the total number of observations. As you can see, it gets very tedious to find mean in this way, especially when we are given a very large number of observations. To simplify our calculations, let's arrange the given data in a frequency table. From the table, you can see that 5 air hostesses are 157 centimeters tall, 2 are 157.5 centimeters tall, and so on. We follow the same principle in calculating mean, given a frequency table. Here, the only difference is, instead of adding 157, 5 times, we simply multiply it by 5, since 5 air hostesses have a height of 157 centimeters. Similarly, 157.5 is multiplied by 2, since 2 air hostesses have a height of 157.5 centimeters, and so on. Then, we add these products together and divide the sum by the total number of observations. Hence, the formula gets modified to the summation of the product of Fi, which is the frequency, and Xi, which is the height, divided by the total number of observations.